Picture this. You're holding a metal spoon in a cup of hot tea. Only seconds later, the spoon itself feels burning hot. But wait, how did the heat travel all the way up to your hand? Well, nature has three magical ways to move heat around, and without them, life as we know it would be impossible. First, conduction. This happens in solids, especially metals. The particles near the hot tea start vibrating and bumping into their neighbors, passing energy along the chain until it reaches your fingers. Everyday examples: a frying pan heating up on the stove, a metal rod left in a fire. Metals are great conductors, but wood or plastic? Not so much. Second, convection. This happens in liquids and gases. Warm fluid becomes lighter and rises, while cooler fluid sinks, creating a cycle that transfers heat. Examples: boiling water swirling in a pot, sea breeze. During the day, warm air over land rises, and cooler air from the sea rushes in to replace it. And finally, radiation. Here, heat travels as invisible electromagnetic waves. No particles needed at all. That's why you can feel the sun's warmth across millions of kilometers of empty space. Examples: the warmth of sunlight on your skin, a microwave heating your food, the glow of a campfire even if you're not touching it. So in short, heat travels in three secret ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. No warm tea, no sunshine, no cozy fires without them.